Welcome to Beginner's Guide. In today's video, I'm going to give you 4 simple tricks to improve the performance of your computer. The first trick, go to your search bar, type run, hit enter. In this box, type Prefetch. Click OK. It's going to give you the list of files here. What you can do, select everything and delete. Don't worry about deleting these files. These files are not going to affect anyhow. Then the second step, again go there, type run, hit enter. This time type %temp and % at the end. Click OK. Again select everything, delete. Again, don't worry about deleting these files. These are just temporary files. There is no use of such files in your computer, so you don't need to worry about that one. The third part, type disk cleanup from the search bar. Then you will find this one. Click the drive that you wanted to clean them. Just select the drive. Click OK. Then here select everything. Don't worry about these things. We're just trying to delete the unwanted thing from our system, so it's not going to affect your system anymore. So don't worry, just click OK. Then click delete files. As you can see them here, the disk cleanup utility is cleaning up the unnecessary files in your machine. So don't worry about deleting such files, right? Then the final one is go here again, type run, type Msconfig, Msconfig. Click OK. In this window, go to startup. It will ask us to go to the open task manager. Click task manager. In this list of applications, if you think I don't want these things to be run when my machine is startup, so try to disable. For example, I don't want this Adobe Reader to be enabled. Maybe I wanted to disable. Just go and disable. Whatever the applications that you feel like, okay, these are all the applications, there is no need for me to start up with my computer, go and disable them. For example, Java update scheduler, it is enabled. So let me click, right click, disable. Then whatever the things that you feels like, okay, I don't want these things to be enabled, disable them. Then close. Click OK. This is a simple 4 tricks for you to improve the performance of your computer. Try this one. I'm sure that you will see the difference. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.